Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I am here to discuss this exponential equation, which is 9 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 5 into 9 raised to the power x plus 1, which is equal to 14. And we have to find the value of x. So we can write 9 raised to the power x plus 2 as a raised to the power m plus n can be written as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So it will become 9 raised to the power x into 9 raised to the power 2 plus 5 into, it can also be written as 9 raised to the power x into 9 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 14. So from here it will become 9 raised to the power x into 9 squares means 81, plus from here 5 and 9 will be multiplied, so 9 5 times 45 into 9 raised to the power x, which is equal to 14. So from these two terms we have common 9 raised to the power x. So we have left 81 plus 45, which is equal to 14. So 81 plus 45 will be equal to 126, which is equal to 14. Now dividing 126 on both sides. So this and this will be cancelled out. So it will become 9 raised to the power x, which is equal to 14 1 time 14 and 14 9 time 126. So it will be equal to 1 divided by 9. As we know that m raised to the power -1 is equal to 1 over m, or 1 over m is equal to m raised to the power -1. So it can be written as 9 raised to the power x, which is equal to, it can be written as 9 raised to the power -1. So here we have bases are same. So we will compare its powers, which are x is equal to -1. So from here we get the value of x, which is -1. Now we will check that the value of x satisfy our given equation or not. So x is equal to 1, so it will become 9 raised to the power 1 plus 1, -1 plus 2 plus 5 into 9 raised to the power -1 plus 1, which is equal to 14. So it will become 9 raised to the power 1 plus 5 into 9 raised to the power 0, which is equal to 14. So from here 9 raised to the power 0 will be equal to 1, and 1 into 5 is 5 plus 9, which is equal to 14. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, and it is equal to 14. Both sides are equal. It's mean the value of x is equal to -1 satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.